Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Little Star Higher Secondary School, North Liberty Higher Secondary School, Bat ka OM Roy Memorial Higher Secondary School. Kila khore ka nam Lahduh ha state level inter school Subroto Mukherjee Football Cup arajar arpo henrio. Kini kikin huan kimi ikmat ega jela syaka international Subroto Mukherjee Football Cup arajar arpo henrio. Keban longshan ha kanong ba Delhi bat ha Bengaluru. Hagajia kun final jong ka under 17 girls belalong SSA Stadium Polo haka arpusan tarik naitung arja arpu hendrio ka Little Star High Secondary School na East and West Khas Hills kala penliam no ya ka North Liberty High Secondary School na West Giant Hills lingba ka tiebreaker da sauko le ibai haka under 15 boys ka North Liberty High Secondary School na West Giant Hills kala penliam no ya ka umpo liu jingtip High Secondary School na East Khas Hills da arko le ibai Kadba haka under 17 boys ka OM Roy Memorial High Secondary School na East Khasi Hills kalapin liam no ya ka Wapung Higher Secondary School na East Giant Hills the Laiko Lanon. Yaki khusnam syakini kinhuan lasam do President ka Meghalaya Football Association uba Hamlet Sondokling haringkat u Vice President uba Cliff Nongrum ki officer ketenat yalekai bat kiwei-kiwei.
A chance, a shot. The jersey number 7 jong ka East and West Khasi North Liberty.